Wow, we got some kids that are excited to see it. And it's a soda ash terrain. But after this one goes, I'm going over there and hopefully see if I can convince the engineer for the local to have a conducted blower, the horn for me to family that's at the park over here. But it took forever to get for the soda ash trying to get here. We saw we got there's one in the unit. I think I see it, tier 4. Swear to God, I didn't get food. And I got food. Get out of the way, you fools! Oh, I see one of them. I see unit number 2 to the rear. Looks like the first unit at the rear is a... Woo! 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 Yes! 2-4 GMO! Yes! Woo! Tier 2 and a tier 4. Looks like. Wait a minute. Yes! Yes! 2718!